What's up guys, it's your girl Seynt here from leseynt.com. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can repost someone's posts from their feed to your Instagram stories, so stay tuned. If you're new here, I would like to welcome you. Here I make a lot of videos relating to Instagram, especially how-to videos. And if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. So guys, I've been waiting for this update on my account for the longest time. I feel like everyone on this earth has this feature except me. So I finally have it and I can show you, and hopefully whoever doesn't have it can see what it looks like. So let's open up our Instagram. I'm just gonna show you. I have another account, so I'm just gonna play around with this one. And I'm just gonna say that I want to share this particular post. Hit onto that little arrow at the bottom, add stories, and then here I can add GIFs or stickers, and I can then go ahead and hit share story. And now if I go back into my stories, you can see that that post has, it's uploading at the moment, but it's going to share. So yeah, very simple tutorial. I hope it's helped you in some way. If you have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. As always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.